Today we've kind of putting the students through their paces with a non-compliant patient that's just sitting in the car in a park, and so the students have to be able to navigate a whole different range of different things from all their learning, non-technical skills, technical skills, everything, to be able to build up a rapport and actually work with that patient for a positive outcome. Part of what we do in pre-hospital care and even just in health in general has a large mental health element to it nowadays. So we do respond to a lot of mental health crisis. A lot of patients that maybe aren't thinking quite straight, whether that's a diagnosed mental health condition, there's alcohol or drug involvement there as well, is they automatically see it as they're in trouble. There's authoritarian people there, and it's really reassuring a patient that they're not in trouble, that we are actually there to help them.
Got to make sure you're safe and can get out of there as quick as you can if things were to change and escalate badly.
So if you're trying to build up a rapport and you're saying something that maybe the patient hasn't liked and they start raising their voice, they change language, really about identifying what's triggering that patient and then being able to navigate away from that. Non-technical communication skills is absolutely key and vital to this type of work.